To some people, donating blood may sound as scary as donating a kidney or a liver. Or at the least, you may think that you are going to feel weakness or symptoms of fatigue after losing a pint of blood for many days to come. Although it is quite rare, let us surprise you by saying that it's just a matter of a couple of hours to normalize the fluids in your blood, and roughly just 4 weeks to recover the number of red blood cells. Donating blood may not just save someone's life, but also have some amazing health benefits you probably don't know about. Let's learn about those benefits. Number 1, donating blood reveals a lot about your current health. Technically, it's the first step after you decide to donate blood. While it isn't exactly the same thing as going to a specialist for a complete health check, it actually helps to let you know a lot about your current health. Your health expert is most likely going to run a few basic tests to check if you are good to go for a blood transfusion. That includes knowing about your blood type, pulse rate, blood pressure, oxygen, and hemoglobin levels, and many others. And this can possibly reveal any existing health issues that you may be unaware of. For example, it is possible that you have insufficient hemoglobin levels, which could mean that you may have an iron deficiency or other factors that may need attention. If that's the case, you can get the proper advice and treatment well in time. Additionally, you are also likely to go through some additional tests, including the ones for hepatitis B or C, HIV or AIDS, COVID-19, or others. These tests can reveal a lot about the overall health of your immune system, or if you had, or currently have, any serious infection in your body. So even if, for some reason, you are unable to donate blood, trying to do so is certainly a good way to get yourself checked. Before we proceed, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming our patron. Number 2, donating blood helps reduce excess iron from the body. You might be wondering, how can this be a health benefit if iron is crucial to our health? Hemochromatosis is a genetic medical condition that arises due to excess iron levels in the blood and can potentially damage the health of the heart, liver, skin, and certain glands. Did you know that 1 out of every 200 individuals in the US has been estimated to suffer from this condition? But the good news is, donating blood can help relieve the symptoms of this disease in a natural way. According to experts, donating blood regularly helps maintain the levels of iron in the blood. In fact, CDC says that patients with hemochromatosis can potentially benefit from donating blood as a part of their treatment. So, if you are among these individuals, you should discuss the possibility of donating blood with your health expert. Number 3, donating blood can lower the risk of developing heart disease. Another amazing health benefit of donating blood that you probably didn't know about is that it can potentially improve your cardiovascular health. According to studies, donating blood at least once a year can help reduce your risk of having a heart attack by as much as 88%. How amazing is that? More surprisingly, some studies have shown that people who donated blood on a regular basis found significant improvement in their blood pressure levels. Experts say that this could be due to the fact that blood donation helps regulate the levels of iron in the body. Excess iron levels in the blood can potentially damage the blood vessels, leading to the symptoms of hypertension and a higher risk of strokes. Therefore, donating blood can be very effective in improving your cardiovascular health in a healthy way. Number 4, donating blood helps reduce the risk of developing cancer. According to the studies, patients with hemochromatosis, or those who have high levels of iron in their bodies, may have a higher risk of developing many types of cancer, such as colorectal cancer, prostate cancer, and breast cancer. Experts have also observed that patients with liver disease who have high iron levels in their bodies have a higher risk of developing liver cancer. And, as we have mentioned before, donating blood on a regular basis helps regulate the levels of iron in the blood, leading to a lower risk of developing tumors and many other associated disorders. Number 5. Donating blood helps maintain liver health. The liver is estimated to support over 500 vital functions in our body, and it's one of the major organs that act as storage places for iron. High amounts of iron in the body, including the liver, can potentially cause liver enlargement and can increase liver enzymes. In the worst cases, this can lead to liver damage, fibrosis, and even liver cancer. But if you keep donating blood on a regular basis, the chance of excess iron storage in the liver will be highly unlikely. And that may not only support liver health, but also its various functions that help you maintain your overall health. Number 6. Donating blood can help boost your mental health. Helping someone makes you happy, doesn't it? Similarly, donating blood is an act of kindness that makes you literally give up some of your blood for someone in need. And mostly, you do that out of free will by volunteering yourself. Having a sense of achievement, kindness, or being helpful to someone tends to increase the levels of dopamine in your brain, making you feel happy. As a matter of fact, there is actually some scientific evidence that supports this theory. A study conducted on people over 65 years old concluded that those who volunteered quite often had fewer or reduced symptoms of depression and feeble feelings of loneliness. Experts also suggest that volunteering for a good cause can boost self-esteem, increase feelings of satisfaction, and can even help you live longer. So every time you help someone by donating blood, give yourself a tap on the shoulder, keeping in mind these amazing health benefits of donating blood. How much or how often can you donate blood? Most individuals 20 years or older with a healthy body mass index have roughly over 5 liters or 10 pints of blood. Such individuals are good to donate roughly 1 pint or 500 milliliters of blood. The default rule of thumb is about 10% of a donor's total blood supply. The average lifespan of a healthy red blood cell is about 110 to 120 days, which means that our body has a natural way of replacing old blood cells with new ones once every 4 months. Moreover, it roughly takes about 4 weeks to recover or replace a pint of blood after you have donated. After the procedure, try not to get involved in strenuous exercise for at least the next 5 to 6 hours, and drink plenty of water to cover the fluid deficiency in your body. A glass of natural fruit juice or a cup of herbal tea also seems like a good idea to keep you energized, but do avoid alcoholic beverages, caffeinated drinks, and tobacco smoking, as they tend to cause dehydration in the body. Although how often you can donate blood depends on whether it's the donation of whole blood, platelet donation, plasma donation, or power red donation. If you have an overall healthy BMI, diet, and lifestyle, experts say that you can donate whole blood up to 6 times a year. But giving up a pint of blood once or twice a year is also quite healthy, so you can save a number of lives and enjoy the amazing health benefits of donating blood at the same time. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. Take care, and see you in the next video.